Most manufacturing problems do not come from people being lazy. They come from waste built directly into the process. Employees walk unnecessary distances. Machines sit waiting for materials. Products pile up in storage. Defects create rework. And teams spend huge amounts of time doing work customers would never willingly pay for. This is exactly the problem lean manufacturing was designed to solve. Lean manufacturing is a system focused on removing waste from processes while improving flow, quality, and efficiency. The goal is simple: deliver more value to customers using less time, less effort, less inventory, and fewer resources. At the center of lean manufacturing are the 8 wastes. These are the activities that consume time or money without creating value for the customer. The first waste is defects. Mistakes create rework, scrap, delays, customer complaints, and additional cost. Every defect wastes materials, labor, and time. The second waste is overproduction. This means producing products before customers actually need them. Overproduction creates excess inventory, storage costs, and hidden operational problems. Many lean experts consider this the worst waste because it creates several other wastes at the same time. The third waste is waiting. People waiting for approvals, machines waiting for materials, products waiting in queues. Most processes spend far more time waiting than actually being worked on. The fourth waste is non-utilized talent. This happens when skilled employees spend most of their time performing low-value tasks, or when organizations ignore improvement ideas from frontline workers. Often the people closest to the process understand the problems best. The fifth waste is transportation. This refers to unnecessary movement of products or materials between locations. Every movement increases time, handling risk, and cost without adding customer value. The sixth waste is inventory. Excess stock sitting in warehouses ties up cash, hides operational problems, and increases storage costs. Inventory often creates the illusion of efficiency while masking deeper process issues. The seventh waste is motion. This is unnecessary movement by people, walking long distances, searching for tools, bending repeatedly, reaching awkwardly. Poor workplace layout creates wasted movement constantly throughout the day. The final waste is overprocessing. This means doing more work than the customer actually requires. Extra approvals, duplicate data entry, overly complicated reporting, or adding unnecessary features customers never asked for. Lean manufacturing became famous through the Toyota production system after the Second World War. Toyota focused heavily on improving flow, reducing waste, and solving operational problems systematically. Instead of simply pushing employees to work harder, Lean focuses on improving the process itself. Imagine a warehouse where staff walk miles every shift because products are stored poorly. Lean does not blame the workers. Lean redesigns the layout to remove the wasted movement. That is an important difference. Lean manufacturing is not about making people work harder. It is about removing the friction that slows work down. The companies that improve fastest are usually not the ones adding the most complexity. They are often the ones simplifying processes, reducing waste, and improving flow consistently over time. Because every piece of waste removed creates more time, more capacity, and better operational performance. Explore free templates, calculators, courses, videos, and software tools at simplicityhub.co.uk. SimplicityHub, making things simple.